Good evening, everyone. My name is Mehul Sen. I'm a first year communication design student in Avantika University. And today I will be talking about how visibility can transform your skills into opportunity. So I will start from a very short story of mine. 2017, तब फ्यूचर स्पिनर का दौर था. सब लोग पॉप गाने गाया करते थे और तब मैं फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में था. कुछ ऐसा दिखता था. तब मेरे घर में एक नया नया लैपटॉप सा आया था. मैं उसमें गेम्स खेला करता था एंड यूट्यूब पे व्लॉग्स देखा करता था. तब मेरे कजिन भाई को कुछ क्रेजी करते हुए देखा उनके लैपटॉप में एंड विच वाज वीडियो एडिटिंग. तब मुझे कुछ अलग दिखा कि गेम्स एंड यूट्यूब व्लॉग से बहुत अलग था. मैंने भी इंस्पायर होकर शुरू किया बिकॉज मुझे बहुत कूल लगा कि हाउ आई कैन मेक माई सेल्फ इनटू अ सुपर हीरो. यस, ये दोनों मैं ही हूँ. ऐसे वीडियोस बनाने में मुझे बहुत मजा आने लगा एंड आई केप्ट डूइंग इट. एट दैट पॉइंट आई वाज जस्ट इंप्रूविंग माई स्किल. किसी को नहीं बताया करता था कि व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग. आई वाज कंप्लीटली आइसोलेटेड. बट देन आई वांटेड टू वर्क विद समवन सो दैट आई कुड गेन सम एक्सपीरियंस. So what I did was I started to outreaching to creators. मैंने DMs करे बहुत लोगों को, emails किया that I can edit your videos and help you grow. Some didn't respond, some replied, but nothing moved forward. In the starting, मैं बस improve कर रहा था. Just skills improve हो रही थी. I thought if my skills are very good enough, मुझे काम मिलने लगेगा अपने आप. But reality कुछ और ही थी. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. No income, no opportunities, no growth as an individual. Why? Because I thought, and बहुत लोगों को आज भी ये लगता है कि if you improve the skill, the opportunities will automatically come. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. I was so confused. What is wrong with me? And I kept asking कि मुझे काम क्यों नहीं मिल रहा. बहुत समय तक मैं ये सोचता था कि प्रॉब्लम मेरी स्किल में है, बट नहीं. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम was my invisibility. That realization connects directly to the theme beyond why. Because earlier I kept asking why I'm not getting opportunities, why I'm not growing, why is nothing happening. But those questions did not change the outcome. The outcome changed when I stopped asking why and started changing how my work interacted with the world. I started putting my work out, uploading all my edited videos on YouTube. Not for clients, not for strategy, just because I had nothing to lose. जो वीडियोस मैंने मजे के लिए बनाई थी, वो जो स्किल्स जो मुझे ऑलरेडी आती थी, उनके मैं ट्यूटोरियल वीडियोस बनाया करता था एंड यूट्यूब पे अपलोड कर दिया जाता था बिना कुछ परफेक्शन का सोचे. वन वीडियो देन अनदर. इवेंचुअली आई अपलोडेड अराउंड 200 वीडियोस. एंड आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि कोई भी वीडियो वायरल हुई होगी? नहीं, नथिंग वेंट वायरल. कुछ भी ग्रोथ नहीं हुई टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हुई कि मेरा अब काम सिर्फ मेरे तक सीमित नहीं था. अब मेरे काम को पूरी दुनिया देख सकती है, कहीं भी कभी भी. सो आई केप्ट पोस्टिंग एंड वन डे आई रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज. A YouTuber with around 10,000 subscribers reached out to me. He asked if I could edit videos for him. This was the first time someone approached me. Not because I asked them, but because they saw my work. मुझे आज भी याद है मेरे फर्स्ट क्लाइंट की फर्स्ट पेमेंट. इट वाज अराउंड 250 रुपीज फॉर एडिटिंग 120 मिनट वीडियो. आई वॉज इन 9th ग्रेड. बहुत लोगों के लिए 250 रुपीज बहुत कम अमाउंट होगा, बट दैट वाज स्टार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. It proved that visibility had converted my skill into opportunity. After that, I continued posting on YouTube, on Instagram, on every other platform. जहाँ जहाँ मेरा काम लोगों को दिख सकता है. Not because I was trying to build an audience, but because I understood something fundamental. When your work is visible, it can interact with the world, and interaction eventually creates opportunity. Over the time, मेरी opportunities बढ़ने लगी. Creators with larger audience began reaching out, one with 800k subscribers, and one with 11 million subscribers. That YouTuber was my favorite. Imagine getting the opportunity to work with your favorite YouTuber. It truly felt like a dream come true, just because I showed my work to the world. Then clients came from different countries. Eventually, I built my own website, optimized my Instagram more professionally, made my work easier to discover. And चीजें और भी आसान होती गई. Earlier I was chasing clients, but now clients were approaching me. Since then, I have worked with over 24 creators and earned enough in my teenage. The content I helped has generated over 350 million plus views. And eventually, through this journey, I co-founded a company with my co-founder and my team. Today, we work with a large number of clients together. But editing was not the only thing I loved. I was also deeply interested in writing rap songs. Not professionally, I used to listen some Indian rappers, तो मुझे वहाँ से बहुत inspiration आई खुद से गाने बनाने की. So I started uploading my rap songs online too. Again, not for clients, just to share what I was creating. And something unexpected happened. 2 to 3 creators reached out and they paid me to write songs for them. Rap was never my main career. It was something I did just for fun. This is how जिस चीज में तुम्हें मजा आता है उन चीजों में भी तुम्हें बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती है just by showing your talent to the world. And it's not always about getting opportunities in monetary terms. You also gain recognition and become known in your area. Like in my case, I got the opportunity to open a concert in my college for some famous rappers in India. जो काम मैंने सिर्फ मजे के लिए शुरू किया था वही एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी बन गई थी. This taught me something very important. Even your side talents matters. Even the things you do just for fun matter. You never know which part of you the world will respond to. When I was making rap, मुझे vocals and beat को mix करना भी सीखना पड़ा, which led me to get more skills. And when I showed those skills to the world, I got more opportunities. Apart from the paid opportunities, you get some benefits for sharing your work to the world. सबसे पहला, it creates a surface area. More people can see your work, you will get evaluation, more people will respond to it. Second, it creates accountability. जब तुम काम publicly दिखाने लगते हो, तुम eventually consistent बन जाते हो. Because you got that pressure that you are accountable to a lot of people now. Third, it accelerates learning. When you share what you learn, your thinking becomes clearer. You got feedback from the audience, सब साथ में बढ़ते हैं and एक network बन जाता है. Fourth, it builds credibility. Clients तुम पे easily trust करेंगे because you have shown that you have the experience of working with clients. Skill alone helps you improve, but skill with visibility multiplies your growth. Because visibility multiplies the number of interactions your skills can have. More interactions create more opportunity creates more growth. इसलिए अपना काम दिखाना बहुत मैटर करता है किसी भी फील्ड में. Live in a world where distribution is free, platform exists, audience exists, you have facilities, you have internet, information is easily accessible now. तुम्हें अपने काम दिखाने के लिए कोई परफेक्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. Even if you are at starting, you can also start by showing your progress, which is called learn in public. It just requires participation, it just requires consistency. This is how showing my work changed everything from an 8th grade student with no opportunities, and today I'm here. So whatever you're learning, whatever you're creating, whatever you're doing, even for fun, start showing it. Let them know कि तुम कौन हो and तुम क्या करते हो. Because you never know कब कौन सा तुम्हारा कोई एक काम तुम्हारी जिंदगी बदल दे. Thank you.